Clear? In today's class, we will be studying how we can make an Excel spreadsheet or how we can apply the formulas over there. So I'm sharing a screen with you all. Here, this is the Excel screen that I have shared with you all. Here I have entered few details. Now, whenever you are working in Excel, all of you have done the formatting also in the previous classes in Word documents. Clear? How you can format your cells, how you can format your document in MS Word. Also, how you people can format in the same way you people can format your Excel spreadsheet also. So here I have entered the serial number, as you can see on the screen, serial number, item, quantity, cost, and I will be calculating the total. Clear? So what I can do, I can format my Excel spreadsheet. Like if I want to format the first row, this is my row. Row means the horizontal division of your worksheet. The vertical division, that is here I have selected the first row, serial number, item, quantity, cost, and total. This is your row. Clear? Column means this is your column, like serial number, it includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, B, second column, item, pen, pencil, eraser, colors, notebooks. Third column, quantity. Fourth column, cost. Fifth column, total. Clear? So this is your columns. Columns means the vertical division, means top to bottom. When you are dividing your Excel worksheet from top to bottom in the vertical form, that is called as your columns. So first of all, let us study how we can format the Excel spreadsheet. I selected the first row. I made it bold, increased its size, changed its font color. Clear? You can also make the color according to your own choice in the cells also. See here. Clear? Now one thing you have seen, applied the as I applied the fill color option in the cells, the borders are not at all visible. Can you hear me, Beta ji? Can you hear me, everyone? Bhavya, Krishna, Bani. All right. So as you can see, I have applied the fill color option over here. The borders are disappearing. You are not being able to see the borders. So how I can make the borders visible? This is the borders option. Now click on the drop down arrow. Here the list of the borders are appearing. Now from here you will click on the all borders option. You will click on the all borders option. Now when you will click on the all borders option, you can see the borders have been appeared. Clear? Everyone clear, Beta ji? Yes or no? 6C? 6C, is it clear, Beta? Is it clear, everyone? Ritvik, Harshia, Bani? All right. Now, Bani, is it clear, Beta? All right. Now I can format my cells according to the different colors also. I can apply different colors in the, first of all, I will make it bold, increased its size. Clear? You can also change its font color. Let's say make it green. Clear? Apply the fill colors. You can apply the fill colors in. You can apply different fill colors in the different in the different beta G cells. like मैंने फर्स्ट रो में I had applied different fill color. In the same way, I can apply different fill colors in every section, in every column or in every border. One thing you have to make sure that when you have applied the color, you have to change it, you have to make its border visible also. Clear? So that it looks nice. Now coming upon to formatting of the items column. Now let's make its color to, let's say, yellow, increasing the font size. Now, as you can see, as I have increased the font size, the notebook, it shifted towards the next cell. So how you can make it, see, how you can set in it in the particular cell. Here I have brought the mouse pointer over here on the cell. Now what you will do, you can see the four-headed arrow, four-headed mouse pointer, just drag it. Now you can see the size of the cell, the width of the cell has been increased. Clear? Now, again you can make the fill color, you can choose according to your own choice. Then what you can do, you have to apply the all borders. Clear? Now, as it is not properly visible, so what you can do, you can change the color. Let's make it as black. Clear? Now, quantity means the amount of a particular item you are purchasing. Quantity means the amount of particular item that you are purchasing. So let's say I purchased 3 pens. I purchased 3 pens. Now, pencil I have purchased 5. Eraser, let's say 3. Colors, let's say 1. Notebooks, let's say I purchased 5. Now, in order to format it, what you can do is, if I want to apply the same formatting that I have applied in the items column. Here I have applied the formatting in the items column. If I want to apply the same formatting in the quantity column, what I will do, I will select these cells, click on this format painter option. This is your format painter option. Now when you will click on this format painter option, drag it over here, you can see the formatting that you have applied to the previous column, it has been applied on the next column also when you click on the format painter option. Is it clear? Is it clear, Beta ji? Now I am repeating once again. This is your column formatting which you have applied. If you do not want to apply this formatting, you can select the first column also. Let's say if you want to apply the first column formatting, select it, click on the format painter. Now you can see the brush has been made, mouse pointer has been changed to the brush shape, and then drag the mouse pointer. You can see the same formatting, it has been applied. Clear everyone? Now, let's continue to the cost column now. When you want cost means the price of a particular product. So let's say the pen, it costs 5 rupees. Pencil, let's say 2. Eraser, let's say 5. Colors, 15. And notebooks, let's say 10. Clear everyone? Now again applying the formatting with the help of the format painter. Now I am going to apply the second column formatting. Selected the second column. Click on the format painter that is present in the clipboard group. Now drag it. You can see the formatting has been done. Clear? Now, how you can apply the formula in order to calculate the total amount of each item, means when you the total amount of pens you purchased, total amount of pencils. So in order to calculate it, we will be applying the formula. I'm dragging the particular column to increase its size. Clear? Now, as you all know that the size, a formula, whenever you want to apply any formula in your Excel spreadsheet, it begins with the equal to sign, right? So whenever you want to apply any formula in Excel, always remember one thing, that it begins with the equal to sign. So here what I can do, applying the formula in the formula bar. You can type it in the formula bar also, or in your particular cell also. So equals to, now as you know what I want to do over here, I want to calculate the total of pens, means total amount of pens I purchased. So in order to calculate total, what I will do, I need to multiply these two. अगर मेरे एक पेन जो है that cost me ₹5, अगर मेरे पास एक पेन है वो मेरे पास ₹5 का है, तो how much will be the cost of 3 pens? What I will do? Yes, Arshia. What I will do if I want to calculate the cost of 3 pens?
Ma'am, multiply.
Yes, I will multiply the cost of 1 pen with the total pens I purchased, right? So here what I'm going to do is equals to, now quantity of pens is in the column C2. The address of quantity of pens, it is in C2. C column, row number 2. So what I will do, I type C2 multiply by D2, right? This is my formula. What I will do, I will multiply the column C2, that is the quantity of pens, into cost of pens, that is in the D2 column. Clear? So I press the enter key. So is it 15? Correct or not? Correct or not? Correct. Clear? This is the first way you can calculate the formula. You can calculate the total. Now, if I want to apply the, here what I have used the multiplication sign, I have used the asterisk sign. Clear? If I want to use the product, equals to product, what I will do, product C2, because that is quantity, C2 colon D2, C2 into D2. So here the product will be done. Here the product will be done. Again the 15 answer is there. So you can apply the formulas in two ways. Either if you want to do the you want to find the product, what you will use, equals to product, brackets में हमारे पास cell address आ जाएगा. Second method, equals to C2 multiply by D2. Clear? So here हमारे पास जो है वो क्या आएगा, हमारा product total of the pen, total amount of rupees that I have spent on the pens. Clear? Now next thing, मैंने अब देखो बेटा जी क्या करना है, अब सभी की मैंने टोटल निकालनी है कि पेंसिल की कॉस्ट कितनी आई है, टोटल इरेजर की टोटल कॉस्ट कितनी है, कलर्स एंड नोटबुक्स की टोटल कॉस्ट निकालनी है. सो अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. मैंने फर्स्ट सेल में फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया. I had applied the formula on the first cell. Now here you can see at the right corner, on the first cell here in the right corner, देखो ये small block बना हुआ है, स्मॉल स्क्वायर सा बना हुआ है बेटा जी. है मैं अब इसको क्या करूंगी, आई विल सिंपली सिलेक्ट द सेल एंड ड्रैग इट. देखो वो अब ऑटोमेटिकली उसकी नेक्स्ट जो वैल्यूज है, नेक्स्ट जो कैलकुलेशन है वो हमारे पास आ गई. पेंसिल की कॉस्ट कितनी आई, 5 into 2 10, 3 into 5 15, 1 into 15 15, 5 into 10 50. तो what I did, I simply applied the formula in the first cell. मैंने first cell में formula apply किया. Drag it in the remaining cells जहाँ पे आपने उसकी total amount जो है वो क्या करनी है, calculate करनी. Clear? Now again I'm going to apply the formatting of the third row in the total column. Clear? Everyone clear? Now, this was the total of each item. ये क्या था? Total of each item. Pen की total amount कितनी आई? 15. Pencil की कितनी आई? 10. Eraser 15. Colors 15. Notebooks 50. Now what I want to do is, I want to calculate the total amount that I spent on all these items. Means मैंने अब क्या करना है, total amount that I spent on all these 5 items. So I need to calculate the total amount. So what I'm going to do is, here is, now here you can see these are the cells again. So in order to, मैं अब सभी cells को क्या करूंगी, merge. I selected these cells. Here in the home tab, this is my home tab, alignment group, merge and center option. So you can see here the merging has been done. Clear? I am repeating again. I selected the cells जिनको मैंने merge करना है. In the home tab, alignment group, this is my merge option, merge and center option. Now here what I am going to type is grand total, means the total amount that I spent on all these items. So I'm going to format it. I'm going to make it bold, increase its font size. I'm going to increase its font size. Now you can see, you can also change the color of the font according to your own choice. Now you can see, as I increase the font size, इसकी जो नीचे वाले जो notebooks जहाँ पे हमने लिखा था, that is not visible. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to increase the width of this cell. Clear? मैंने इस cell की क्या कर दी, width जो है that I increased. Clear? So now I select the cell. Now when you will increase your font size, the remaining जो आपका text है, that will be visible to you all. So you can increase or decrease the size of the cell also. Now, how you will calculate the grand total? Grand total means sum of all these items. Grand total means sum of all these items. So here I am going to apply the formula that begins with the equal to sign, equals to sum. Now sum किसका करना है मैंने? E2, here I am writing E2 colon, then E6. E2 colon E6 means E2 जिसमें पेन्स का टोटल है, E3 जिसमें पेंसिल का टोटल है, like this up to E6. Clear? Now when I press the enter key, you can see the total amount of the product it has been received. Now just a second, I am applying the formatting over here. I am applying the formatting over here. So it is equal to 105. So clear? This is the way you can calculate the grand total of any item. Am I clear, beta? Clear, beta ji? All right.